This video clip is to give you just an idea of Vaptsarov cooperation in Pleven, Bulgaria. Vaptsarov is a machine-building plant of a centennial background. This is the plant which won recognition in the manufacture of nuclear and hydroelectric power station equipment, as well as forging press equipment. One of their acmes, Vaptsarov achieved in the 80s, after subcontraction with Toshiba, Japan, began in the manufacture of 4 pump turbines, 300 tons each, for the Chaira pumped storage power station. The application of elite Japanese technology in that subcontraction enabled many of Vaptsarov's engineers and workers be trained in Toshiba, Japan, and thus their qualification ran high. And Messer heavy-duty gas-cutting machines made it possible for Vaptsarov to cut steel plates 300 millimeters thick. Vaptsarov enjoys a large-scale application of heavy-duty vertical and horizontal boring machines, lots of metalworking machines equipped with FANUG numerical control, a Loisar heavy-duty heat treatment furnace with a maximum capacity of 150 tons and furnished with electronic data processing, and a heavy-duty shot blasting camera as well. Seams on the pump turbines are tested according to ASME. This American standard requires high quality of welds to ensure reliability of welded products. The application of modern technologies and the good technical equipment in the shops, combined with the high qualification of the employees and their dexterous execution, enabled Vaptsarov manufacture the full scale of main parts and equipment and accessories for these giant turbines designed for the Chaira pumped storage power station. The great dimensions of the main parts and the high precision in their finishing and assembly are quite impressive. 4,000 millimeters is the diameter of each penstock valve, and 40 tons its weight. An 80-ton spherical valve is 1,700 millimeters in diameter. Each of the 4 main shafts is 22 tons heavy, and a main bearing with its oil cooler, and so on and so forth. The shop assembly of main components is just one more inspection prior to dispatching to Chaira site, and of course prior to site assembly of each of the 300-ton pump turbines. Only then a pump turbine might be assembled at site, deep down the rocks, where the machine hull of Chaira pumped storage power station is. After completion, each of the 4 units will have to reach its full capacity of 216 megawatts, swashing wildly under the 701-meter head in peak hours. That water, once used to generate electricity, will later on be pumped up back more than 700 meters high and stored there until new peak hours come to generate electricity again and again. Once again, Japanese engineers from Toshiba will ascertain that all jobs have been properly done and will confirm this fact by stamping their Toshiba supervisor stamp on a new quality record. Chaira pumped storage power station is the place where Japanese technical achievements and the high professionalism of Vaptzarov's engineers and workers must stand the ordeal of time. The beginning was laid, and worthy experience has been gained. The future will decide whether Toshiba Corporation and Vaptzarov Corporation will associate again. That is, if a new subcontraction in the manufacture of main parts for a power station, this time abroad, will come through.